Let's divide 190 by 2. Hey super math stars, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math adventures. Alrighty, let's start this division adventure. We look at the first digit of 190, which is 1. We'll bring it down to start our work. Can 2 fit into 1? Nope, it's too small, so we write a 0 in the quotient. 0 times 2 is 0, we write that down. 1 minus 0 is 1. That's our remainder for this step. You're doing amazing. We're just getting started. Now, let's bring down the next digit to make a new number. Look at that, we've got a 19 now. So exciting. We bring down the next digit, 9, next to our remainder 1, making 19. How many times does 2 fit into 19? Let's think. 9 times. 9 times 2 equals 18. Write that 18 right below 19. 19 minus 18 leaves us with 1. That's our new remainder. Woohoo, you're crushing it, almost there. One last digit to bring down, and we'll have our answer. Last step, here we go, we have a 10. We bring down the final digit, 0, next to our remainder 1, making 10. How many times does 2 go into 10? It's exactly 5 times. 5 times 2 equals 10, perfect. 10 minus 10 is 0. We have no remainder left. You did it, that's fantastic work. We've reached the end of our division. Great job. So, 190 divided by 2 equals 95 with no remainder. We just tackled long division like pros. Remember, breaking it down step by step makes even the biggest numbers friendly. Keep practicing, and you'll be a division whiz in no time. Great job, everyone. Keep shining bright, and we'll see you in the next video on Let's Stud. Bye for now.